hackers really control your phone without your own knowledge. Now, if you have an Android phone like this, or and someone gives you an APK Android for file, maybe that software, utility software, or game rather, and then you install that and you keep it in your phone installed. Now the person with whom you're connected to the net, that person can access all your data in the phone, click pictures with the phone, remove and erase data, and copy paste files, play music, and everything that a root access, like you can do that.
So now I'll be showing you how to do the things. So these are the requirements. You need a Kali Linux in root access and the APK file and all those decoupling files, APK tool, and last but not the least, you need the things required. So now we'll get started. We'll type the commands. So this is APK tool decoupling the file over here, which we got over here, and it's decoupling the files, and we'll get a folder of the APK. It will soon be created now. Now we need the Ruby file, and we will be embedding the Ruby file inside that, so that to inject the MS Venom payload. The original name of the Ruby file is apk-embed-payload file. You can Google it up, but I have renamed it to abc.rb so that it is easier to type in. We have to set the lhost and lport. I have set my own lport and own lhost. You can set it, see in the settings of your own IP address. So now we'll go to the apk Android manifest folder to find out the exact details of the main package of the game or the APK we have used over here. And we have, you see, as you can see, action.main and action.launcher over here, and just above it we have android.name equals to that floppy.flash screen. That is the main part of the thing which you have to remember. And now we are asked for a hook, so we'll match the thing over here, replace the dots by slashes, and as you can see we have that flight at hook number 4. You can see. So now as a hook we will enter number 4, and then you can see the inject is done. And now we will find a new APK created over there, that is original.apk, which will be created. Now what we need to do is we have to sign this APK using the sign APK apps or the sign APK tools which we have. Now, then we'll go over here, um, this one, the created one, and now we'll sign this APK using this Java. But we can also use APK tool to compile that, but we will not use because that is a hectic method and that uses a lot of thing. So we'll just not type in those, so those are not useful for us, so we'll not go into those things. We'll straight away go to the normal method. We will not type this in. What we will type in is, we'll directly sign the APK using the Java command. The command is java dash jar sign apk dot jar, then certificate dot pm and key dot pk8. So these are the packages that has to be downloaded from the Google, and this helps us to sign the APK so that that can be installed in our Android devices. Now after this, we'll just execute this statement. And after the final APK gets created, we will send it to our victim, and after the victim installs the phone, what we have to do, our very little task is left. So now the file is created. We have to just after the victim installs the software, then we have to create a new terminal, and if we start msf venom, and then we can just exploit the app. But unfortunately I won't be able to show you that thing, because these permissions are only applicable for ethical hackers. But since this is illegal to do otherwise, I'm restricted to show you the entire video. But please be aware, ethical hackers or black hat hackers can definitely hack your phone if they're using devices or softwares made by them or encoded by them. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.